Hello students, welcome to my channel Knowledge Nudge. Today we are studying chapter 1 of class 7th DAV Science, Nutrition in Living Organisms, Plants back exercise. A. Fill in the blanks. Animals are heterotrophs as they cannot synthesize their own food. Second, the roots of plant absorb water and minerals from the soil. Third, during photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Fourth, stomata are the tiny pores through which leaves exchange gases. Fifth, insect-eating plants are called insectivorous plants. Sixth, an essential raw material needed for the process of photosynthesis and A. Available in the soil is water. B. Available in the air is carbon dioxide. Match the following. First, chlorophyll. A. Autotrophs. 2. Lichens. B. Saprotrophs. 3. Fungi. C. Symbiotic relationship. Fourth, amerware. D. Leaf. Fifth, plants. E. Parasite. Answer. First, chlorophyll. Leaf. Second, lichens. Symbiotic relationship. Third, fungi. Saprotrophs. Fourth, amerware. Parasite. Fifth, plants. Autotrophs. C. Tick the correct option. Answer. First, autotrophs. Second, leaf. Third, pitcher plant. Fourth, saprotroph. Fifth, rhizobium. D. Answer the following questions in brief. First, why is nutrition important for a living organism? Answer. Nutrition is important because it enables living organisms to build their bodies, to grow, to repair damaged parts of their bodies, and to provide the energy to carry out life processes. Second, how do green plants synthesize their food? Answer. Green plants synthesize their food by the process of photosynthesis. Third, state the role of vessels present in a plant. Answer. Vessels help in transportation of water and minerals to other parts of the plant. Fourth, define the following terms. For A, symbiotic relationship. Answer. Symbiotic relationship, sometimes two organisms live in a close association and develop a relationship that is beneficial to both. This is called symbiotic relationship. B, nutrients. Answer. Nutrients, components of food such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals which are necessary for our body are called nutrients. C, saprotrophic mode of nutrition. Answer. Saprotrophic mode of nutrition. Saprotrophic nutrition is the process in which the organisms feed on dead and decaying matter. D. Photosynthesis. Answer. Photosynthesis. The process through which green plants prepare their own food are called photosynthesis. Fifth, when some wheat dough was left in the open for a few days, it started emitting a foul smell. State why. Answer. The wheat dough was left in the open for a few days. It started emitting a foul smell due to the action of fungi and bacteria that grow on it. These organisms are called saprotrophs, which obtain food from dead and decaying organic matter. E. Answer the following questions. Why would life not be possible on Earth in the absence of photosynthesis? Answer. Plants make their food by the process of photosynthesis. In the absence of photosynthesis, there would be no plants and oxygen gas would not be released into the atmosphere, which is essential for respiration. All animals, directly or indirectly, dependent on plants. So, life would not be possible on the earth in the absence of photosynthesis. Give reasons. A. Mushroom is a saprotroph. Answer. Mushroom does not contain chlorophyll, so it does not make their own food by photosynthesis. It gets its food from dead and decaying matter, due to which it is known as saprotroph. B. Sun is the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms. Answer. Plants use sunlight to make their food by the process of photosynthesis. This food is then consumed by all the animals and human beings directly or indirectly. Hence, sun is the ultimate source of energy. C. The leaf of a plant dies out if its stomata are blocked. Answer. Stomata help in photosynthesis by exchanging the gas like oxygen and carbon dioxide. If stomata of a leaf are blocked, it does not make their food and the leaf dies out. D. Leaf is known as the food factory of the plant. Answer. The leaf of a plant synthesizes its food by the process of photosynthesis, hence it is known as the food factory of the plant. E. Lichen is a living partnership between a fungus and an algae, and this partnership is beneficial to both. Answer. Lichen is a living partnership between a fungus and an algae. The fungus absorbs water and to provide shelter. The alga prepares food by photosynthesis. Hence, this partnership is beneficial to both. Third, why do some plants feed on insects? How does a pitcher plant catch insects? Answer. Some plants feed on insects for their nitrogen requirements. These plants are called insectivorous plants. Pitcher plant is an example of this type of plant. The leaf of this plant gets modified to form a pitcher with a lid. When an insect enters, it cannot climb back out against the hairs and ultimately falls to the bottom of the leaf and gets digested by the juices present there. Fourth, how do rhizobium bacteria and leguminous plants help each other in their survival? Answer. Rhizobium is a bacterium that lives in the roots of leguminous plants. It converts nitrogen from the atmosphere into a usable form that can be utilized by the plants. The plants in turn provide food and shelter to the bacterium. Complete the web chart. Answer. Plant. Sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll. Carbon dioxide from air, water absorbed by root, chlorophyll present in leaves. Results in formation of glucose oxygen.
Thank you for watching the video. If you love it, then like it, share with your friends, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notifications about further videos.